Hello everyone, my name is Thuy and I come from class 3A. Now I'm going to present my lesson for Unit 5, Material Life, in the course book SCA Go Plus. There are three main parts in my lesson. Those are Unit Portfolio, Unit Overview, and Assessment. Let's take a look at my portfolio. There are five parts in the portfolio: assessment, student sample, student support, teacher support, and unit plan. First of all, this is my unit plan. In this unit, the students will have a chance to study on some advertising campaigns and their impacts on us as the customers. Through the unit activities, they will discover how this advertisement affects customers' choices. Students will learn about the describing skills to prepare for short advertisement, and with guidance, they can also write their own reviews of a given subject. The grade level for this unit is Intermediate B1. I will teach this unit in 4 weeks. The time for each period is 45 minutes. About the targeted content standards and benchmarks, I have communication and writing standards, national social studies standards. About student objectives, after this unit, the students will be able to scan and read the test before multiple choice options, understand the effects of methods of advertising, identify the advantages as well as disadvantages of advertisement, self-assess and give their peers feedback, write short reviews, learn about some reporting verbs and how to express uncertainty. The essential question for my unit is, what is essential for life? And there are three questions for the unit question part and another three questions for the content question part, as you can see. The assessment timeline, questioning and KWL chart occurs through the unit to assess the student background knowledge of the topic. And I also have discussion, oral presentation rubric, project scoring guide, and self-assessment on group contribution to help students keep track of the learning process of the class and to encourage the communication among the students. In the student support folder, I have the homework for indirect speech, homework for the reporting verbs and the work list. In the teacher support folder, I also have homework for the grammar part and one PowerPoint presentation for the speaking task. In the student sample folder, I have 2 PowerPoint presentations for the speaking task. It is also the oral preparation for the students before they orally practice in front of the class. The first one is about the ways to make an effective advertisement, and the second one is some phrases for students to express uncertainty. About the assessment, I have final reflection, peer feedback, scoring guide, and writing self-assessment. This is the form of the final reflection. The student will have to write short answer for each of the sentences, and this is for checking their understanding of the unit, and they can also write their opinions of the learning process. and they see the form of the feedback that they give for their peers. This is the scoring guide. The student will have to assess their reading, writing, listening, and speaking during the learning process. At last, this is for the writing self-assessment. The student will base on four main factors. Those are grammar and vocabulary, ideas, coherence, and effect on the target reader. Then they will assess their own review on the writing task. This is also the end of my presentation for my assignment. Thank you for listening.